Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be showing you guys how I achieve this crazy bright blue eyeshadow look, and I am going to be using the Colourpop's Blue Moon eyeshadow palette. So happy that I decided to purchase something out of my comfort zone, because I'm always used to sticking around with the colors that I'm very comfortable with and not play with bright colorful eyeshadows until today, and I am happy with the outcome of this eye makeup look. I know it's a little bit intense, I know it's a little bit crazy, and no, I don't think I will be rocking outdoors with this type of eyeshadow look per se. And so here I am with this tutorial for you guys. I'm going to show you guys how I achieve this look. If you want to know how to achieve it, then please keep on watching. So I'm going to first go in with the color called Moonlight, just using a fluffy blending brush. Tap off the excess. I'm gonna apply it all over my crease in a windshield wiper motion. So next I'm taking a flat type of angle brush, and I'm gonna go in with this color called Fine China. Place it on the outer corner and the inner corner. Not taking it above the crease, I'm just gonna place it like on closer to the crease. This is the Morphe's M507 brush, deeper color here. Color is called Clued In. So for the deeper blue, I am just gonna keep it closer to my lash line. I'm gonna go back in and blend these out a little bit. Just ever so slightly. I'm taking a very flat brush, this gorgeous center shade called Billie Jean. Place that on the center of my lids. Shade called Lumi. Just gonna place it in the center, kind of just tapering this out. So I'm basically gonna finish this look with the eyeliner, mascara, etc., and I will be right back. So the first shade here is called Lumi. The second shade is called Body. The third one is called Moonlight, and the fourth one is called Starry Eyed. These two are a little bit similar. This is just a tad bit darker, just a tad bit. And then this one is my favorite. This is Billie Jean. And then we have Tide Pool. And then this one is Mad About You. And then this is Fine China. And the last shade is Clued In. So I kind of really like the blue shades that are within this palette. I especially love Billie Jean and Fine China, and also this shade called Lumi, which is like a duochrome shade, so I really enjoy that one. So overall, I really enjoy this Blue Moon monochromatic eyeshadow palette from Colourpop. I was surprised by how much I like it. So this eyeshadow palette is definitely not my cup of tea, but I truly enjoyed playing with it, and I will be using this for a nice pop of bright blue shade when I need it, I guess. And I don't know how people do swatch videos. It's really complicated. I'm glad that I had decided to purchase it. And anyways, I hope you guys enjoy my look, and if you guys have it too, please let me know your thoughts on this eyeshadow palette as well. Anyways, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.